What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you the 30-pin to HDMI adapter. I picked this up a couple weeks ago. I thought it was broken, but I tried it on a different TV and it works. So pretty much what you do is you connect your iPad, get your 30-pin connector, get it to go in there. Get that in there, and then you put your HDMI cord on there. So really all you do is you just take your iPad that's already plugged in. I'm going to put a magazine right there so I'll scratch up my iPad. Unplug the HDMI, plug it into the end like that, so it is all connected up right there like that. And then you just turn your TV on. Then you go up to your iPad. Slide down the lock. And there you go. Whatever is on your iPad is now on your TV. I'm not really too sure why it is not full screen on my TV. As you can see, there's kind of a letter bar around the sides, but it does serve its purpose. Go over to my channel, uploads. That right there is on the TV, and it sounds decently good. I'll play this video right here and I will full screen it. What's up, guys? I'm doing a quick video on the new Google Plus app. Not the Google Plus app, but update that they did to the app. There's that. That's new. Home feed. Put an app again so you guys can see that. The interface is all new. And that right there is a preview, not really preview, but kind of a little kind of a demo of the 30-pin to HDMI. I was going to do a lightning to HDMI, but I ended up just getting a 30-pin for my iPad 2 and not using my iPad mini with it. So, if you found this useful or you like this video, please comment, rate, subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you. Right here is a picture of the HDMI to 30-pin connector.